Hey there, welcome back to the channel Hidden Agenda. Today we're diving deep into a topic that stirred up countless debates and theories, Project Blue Beam. You've probably heard whispers about it, maybe even stumbled across some wild claims online, but let's clear something up right from the start. Project Blue Beam is not to be confused with Project Blue Book, a historical government investigation into UFO sightings. We're talking about something much darker and more mysterious. Now before we get into it, let me make a promise to you. Stick around until the end of this video and I'll reveal some jaw-dropping insights that will make you rethink everything you've heard about Project Blue Beam. Trust me, it'll be worth the wait. So, what is Project Blue Beam exactly? Project Blue Beam is one of those theories that gets people talking, but not in the way you might think. It suggests that powerful governments, especially the US, are planning to stage a massive fake alien invasion. But why? Well, the idea is that this orchestrated crisis would unite humanity under a single world government. The theory claims that advanced technology, think holographic projections, secret aircraft, and mind-bending devices would create the illusion of a global threat. In the midst of fear, panic, and confusion, governments could implement a new world order. Sounds intense, doesn't it? The 4 steps of Project Blue Beam, breaking it down. Here's where things start to get even more interesting. According to the theory, Project Blue Beam unfolds in 4 distinct steps. The breakdown of archaeological knowledge. It's claimed that fake earthquakes and so-called new discoveries would be used to shatter fundamental religious beliefs. Imagine finding evidence that all your most trusted beliefs are false, but there's more to it. The gigantic space show. This is where things get truly wild. Using advanced 3D holographic projections, governments could allegedly simulate a fake alien invasion. Picture the skies filled with beings, alien ships, and otherworldly images, all made with technology you can't even begin to fathom. Telepathic electronic two-way communication. But wait, it gets crazier. The theory claims governments would use radio waves to make people believe that their God is speaking to them. Yeah, imagine hearing a voice in your head telling you what to do. But how real is that? The final step, chaos, panic, confusion. Once the world is thrown into disarray, the theory suggests that the governments could swoop in, ready to implement their new world order. And here's the catch. Is any of this actually true? Is Project Blue Beam real? Well, here's where it gets tricky. There's no solid proof to confirm the existence of Project Blue Beam, but there are some strange coincidences. For example, a US patent was discovered for technology that could communicate directly with the human brain through radio frequencies. Could this technology be used for mind control? Could it be the key to convincing people that an alien invasion is real or that God is speaking to them? These are the questions that keep theorists up at night. Alternative theories. Is there more to the story? Now let's throw some curveballs your way. What if it's not just the government behind this? Some people believe that the mystery drones being spotted around the world are part of a much bigger operation. Could these drones be part of a secret government program? Maybe they're using alien technology, or perhaps they're testing out new military tech. Then again, there's always the theory that these drones are related to biblical prophecies. Some believe they're part of a demonic delusion as described in the Bible. It's unsettling, but it's a theory some take seriously. The mystery drones, an ongoing puzzle. As we dig deeper into the mystery of these drones, new reports continue to surface. Just recently, there were sightings in Los Angeles, and a New York airport had to shut down because of drone interference. But here's the kicker. When questioned about these drones, government officials seem to downplay the situation, claiming they were just regular drones. But if these drones are just hobbyists flying their personal equipment, then why were airports being shut down? Wait, what if I told you that this is just the tip of the iceberg? The big question, is Project Blue Beam a warning? Could Project Blue Beam actually be more than just a theory? Could it be a warning for something bigger? We don't know for sure. But here's the thing. It's easy to dismiss this theory as nothing more than a wild conspiracy. But there's enough evidence and strange coincidences out there to make you wonder, what if? Conclusion. The truth is out there. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with this. While Project Blue Beam remains speculative at best, it's crucial to stay open-minded and critical. The world is full of strange events, coincidences, and technologies that we can't explain. But don't just take my word for it. Explore, question, and dig deeper. Stick around for more content like this, and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment below with your thoughts. Do you think Project Blue Beam is real, or is it just another conspiracy theory? But here's a thought. What if the truth is more than we can handle? The journey to uncover it is only just beginning. And as always, remember, stay curious, stay questioning, and keep seeking. The mystery of Project Blue Beam might not be solved today, but together we can piece the puzzle together, one piece at a time.